Greetings, colleagues. In the startup information environment, it is frequently expressed that startup founders desire to sign a non-disclosure agreement with an investor, trying to defend their own business idea. This step taken by entrepreneurs has always surprised me. Is it really necessary? After all, there is no guarantee that such an idea is commercially viable or even slightly innovative. Let us delve into this matter further. Today, we have the assistance of the ideas platform ideasai.com and Microsoft's artificial intelligence Bing Chat. Ideasai.com generates all of its ideas using OpenAI's GPT-3, with no human involvement whatsoever. The database was seeded with approximately 100 startup ideas, and from their GPT-3 began generating more. The generated ideas are then liked/disliked by you and over 1,559,720 other individuals, and that data is fed back into GPT-3. Bing Chat is a feature of the Bing search engine that allows users to interact with a chatbot to obtain answers to lengthy and complex questions. The chatbot can provide detailed, human-like responses with footnotes that link back to the original sources. Pre-validation is essentially the first stage of validation. You need to determine whether there are any existing implementations of your idea in the market and who your target audience is. During this stage, you will be able to assess which functionalities or features of your product are of interest to your potential clients, and what your competitors are offering in terms of these functionalities. Claiming that your startup has no competitors is a foolish endeavor. In fact, I will tell you more. If your idea has never been implemented by anyone else, then it is merely self-deception. Dozens of entrepreneurs have the same idea as you. Therefore, we take the top 3 ideas of the month and the top 3 ideas of the day from ideasai.com. Then, we simply examine what Bing Chat presents us with in terms of existing implementations and target audiences. A virtual assistant that helps you build a personal brand. 985 likes. By conducting a simple query on Bing Chat, we procure insights about services that may prove valuable in establishing a personalized brand. These include video and podcast editing, search engine optimization, web marketing, and social media management. We are also provided with links to businesses already engaged in these activities. Through a separate inquiry, we gain knowledge about the target audience. The target audience for a virtual assistant devoted to building personal brands encompasses anyone desiring to establish their own brand but lacking the time or proficiency to do so themselves. This demographic encompasses entrepreneurs, small business owners, and individuals aspiring to establish their online personal brand. If you find this notion intriguing, this information could serve as a starting point for shaping the concept behind this idea. We apply the same methodology to other ideas. A recipe finder, with a focus on healthy food. 708 likes. There are existing examples of such services, such as WebMD's Healthy Recipe Finder, Skinny Taste, and NHS Healthier Families. The target audience for a recipe search engine with a focus on healthy food includes those who wish to eat healthily but lack the time or expertise to do so themselves. This demographic could encompass individuals seeking to lose weight, people with dietary restrictions, and those searching for novel and captivating recipes to explore. As we can see, there are numerous pre-existing services available in this sphere. However, if you find this concept appealing for a business venture, competition should not deter you. Remember that a project refined by 10% has the potential to become a leader. The development of online businesses has witnessed many similar cases of success. A mobile app to help you find a safe place to smoke marijuana. 696 likes. Smoke Here and Leafly are examples of mobile applications designed to assist users in finding safe spaces for smoking marijuana. The target audience for such an app would be individuals who use cannabis, including those who do not cultivate it themselves. These individuals frequent cannabis dispensaries and seek a secure and comfortable location to smoke. Is this concept useful? Undoubtedly so, especially considering that in certain circumstances, smoking marijuana could result in legal repercussions. While I do not personally smoke marijuana nor oppose its consumption, I believe that it should only be done with the permission or prescription of a doctor or on an occasional basis. This is due to the fact that I have observed the detrimental effects of chronic use at a young age on people's lives. A startup that provides paid services that enable businesses to build better online marketing campaigns. The startup sells services such as creating an email list, creating a Facebook ad, or creating a web page. 21 like. There are numerous startups that offer online marketing services to businesses, including social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, and content marketing. Some examples of these startups are Casino and GrowthRocks. The target audience for these startups would be businesses seeking to enhance their online marketing campaigns. While I do not consider this concept to be innovative, I believe it to be a natural progression for any marketing agency. The Startups app helps customers book a ride on an electric bike with a tap. 18 likes. The idea of creating an app to help customers book a ride on an electric bike is not particularly innovative, but the target audience is clearly defined. It may be beneficial to further develop the customer journey map to enhance the user experience. For more information on what a customer journey map is and how to use it, please refer to my blog post, a link will be provided in the description. A startup that makes it easy for small businesses to create customized invoices and save money. The startup helps businesses create invoices for small businesses, streamlining the process and eliminating small business errors. 18 likes. Wave, Buildo, and FreshBooks are startups that offer free or affordable invoice generation services to small businesses. These startups aim to simplify the invoicing process and eliminate errors that small businesses may encounter. While the idea is not new, it is still promising given the constantly evolving business landscape and changing legislation. To further validate your idea, you could request examples of innovative or in-demand features for your idea. It's worth noting that while the ideas mentioned have existing online services, there may still be unique and unconventional ideas worth exploring. As for why Microsoft's AI was chosen over other options, it's because it is better equipped to process modern and up-to-date information. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT, like any AI, has its knowledge cutoff date. Overall, researching existing startups in your field and analyzing their offerings can be a helpful starting point for validating your business idea. If you've tried this approach, share your idea in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're ready to start validating your business idea. Stay motivated.